Hello guys, so with me here I have this generator, 111 kilovolt amperes, 160 amp 400 volts 3-phase generator, and we had a problem that this conductor for the grid was not getting engaged. Like when you put it on auto, when it senses that the electricity is back, the conductor was not getting energized. So we checked the coil there. So now everything is off. I've put the generator off. That was I'm touching here, but you must not be touching electricity when you're not sure the power is off. So we checked the coil. There was no power on the coil, and after some tracing and fault finding to see where the problem is, I found that these two fuses have been blown out, which are giving power to the coil. There's a 12 amp fuse and a 2 amp fuse that are blown on this generator. So I'm just going to replace those fuses and everything is going to work fine. So here I'm just going to show you how to replace these fuses. So I've got two new fuses that I've bought, a 2 amp 500 volts fuse and a 10 amp 500 volts fuse to replace this one. The other one was just taken as a sample. So this one was here. This one we just took it as a sample so that to the hardware. So I'm just gonna put it there. Then we've got this 2 amp which was here, and then we've got this 10 amp which was here there as well. So yeah, so this is how you just replace the fuses on a generator. And yeah, this is how the generator looks. Now it's off, and everything is gonna work fine. And this generator is set to work with the panels to charge the solar panels. We had also a problem whereby the panels, the batteries, when the inverter was not accepting power from the generator, and I'm gonna do another video explaining how to sort that out when you have a generator and you have a solar and you want to use a generator to charge the batteries, in terms like maybe there's too much, it's cloud and you don't have a grid power or ESCOM power with you. Cheers.